Amazon online arbitrage is the process of buying products online at various websites and reselling them on Amazon at a profit. The items are usually purchased at retail value and tend to be discounted. The process the sellers usually use is called reverse sourcing, meaning they go through Amazon and search for ASINs that meet certain buying criteria. They will search the web to find these products. If they can find them at a price which translates to profit, they'll buy them, send the products into Amazon, and make their money. At scale, online arbitrage can be very profitable. Online arbitrage sellers take advantage of credit card cashbacks, store discounts, and coupon codes which help them maximize profits. Amazon Wholesale tends to make more because it's easier to scale. Check out this video here to learn more about Amazon Wholesale. But we shouldn't discount online arbitrage sellers, as there are plenty of them who are killing it on Amazon and making millions. I hope this video gave you a better understanding on online arbitrage. In the next video, we'll be talking about Amazon private label. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with the videos we release. I'll see you in the next video.